passion just oozing from the stands here. These fans love their football, and we're about to be dished up a feast of it. We have already started here. It's a pretty loose pass. Oh, nearly, but not quite.
Well, he's clearly in one of those moods. I think even he was asking perhaps a little too much from himself then.
Well seen, saw that coming.
That's great positioning, so good from him.
Looking for the run. Great ball, and he's in here. And he's quick to get it clear again. Picked out brilliantly. Plays a sharp little ball here.
There's Vitor Baia, Peter, exuding his unique brand of calm and confidence, as per usual.
Yeah, he's one of those keepers, isn't he, who has that... Tries a shot! It's run loose, who's going to get there? Oh, there's a probing ball. Martinez. Now it's Martinez. That's a cute ball. Now there's a fine ball. Oh, he's got a crucial block in there. Your impression so far, Jim?
Well, it's plain for all to see who has set
No.
Wait.
Wait.
Can he
Wait.
He's delivered all right! There was to be only one outcome.
Well, was there ever any doubt? It made it look like he's done it over and over and over again, and he has.
So the first goal of the game.
Well, this will present the manager with a few interesting options, Peter. Try sitting on...
Oh, they could be caught out here. Stojkovic. Just more than 15 minutes till half-time. Messi, and this is Messi. Matheus Nunes. And it's Messi. Oh, perfectly measured that. That's an excellent interception. And the whistle goes for half-time. There's been no shortage of industry or... Here we go again then.
It's not easy being down in situations like this. I know it's an overused term, but you really have to play with courage. Be brave, and let's see where it gets you. You might just get lucky because of it.
Can he get it through? And this is Bale. He's one-on-one! And he shoots! Yes!
Baba diye başka çocuklar da var okulda diye. Cevap.
Besiktas back on level terms. Besiktas grab the equaliser and we're all square.
Well, I'd happily watch this every week, Peter. This is exactly what you want from a big game.
Now it's Martinez. Stojkovic. Nicely spread. He's in plenty of space here. Cannavaro calmly anticipates.
Well, Peter, just see here how a lot of the attacking players aren't dropping back anymore.
And that means just one thing, I suppose.
Yeah, they just simply want to engage the counter-attack.
Yamal is offering some sort of an apology. Oh no, this does not look good. Now, can they get him away? Now it's Yamal. Shapes to shoot! Goal! Besiktas! They've done it! It was coming! They have their reward! What a delicious finish. That is immaculate.
Yeah, the right touch in moments like that is key to what follows. All very neat and tidy.
Besiktas go into the lead.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Oh, that's well spotted. That pass has been well intercepted. That is a great pick out. Might be danger here. And he's there to get it away. And claimed it back swiftly. Now it's Villa. Rice. Played out to the left flank. Played back in. Now it's Hazard. Now it's Martinez! And he hits the net! Once more they've done it! They just will not lie down!
Yeah, and it's very much deserved in the circumstances. In these games, it's so tempting to maybe get a little sorry for yourselves, but there's none of that.
Oh, whose goal is that? Big deflection. That's one for the dubious goals panel. Quite a thriller this one's become.
Well, this poses a very interesting question now, Peter. Do they push on to try and win it in normal time? They certainly have the momentum.
David Villa. That's a lovely, neat pass. Now that looks a decent ball.
Well, there's no doubt that they want to win this, Peter.
He's having a shot! Having a shot!
I think we might be done here, Peter. I don't see there being enough time for them to try again.
Martinez.
There will be 3 minutes added time.
Out for a throw. And he's there to belt it away. That's it, we're going to get 30 minutes more.
Well, I think many on that pitch were...
Into extra time we go. Besiktas pay the price for failing to close out the match in normal time. Can they avoid the same fate here, where the consequences are still more serious? And this is Bale. That's a risky ball, you've got to say. Great chance! Oh, it's in! And that's too easy.
Yeah, it's mystifying that a player of his talent wasn't picked up sooner, and he picked them off instead.
Well, it's an inspired substitution. Terrific move by the boss.
That's just as the manager would have seen it, an impact sub.
Besiktas get themselves into the lead.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Yamal! Rice. To Hazard. Now it's Martinez. It's run loose here. And that's it. And we're off for the final time. Well, this really has been an epic encounter, and there are some tired limbs out there. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Van Dijk. Ball's played through. Oh, the less said about that pass, the better. Well read, and the danger is averted. And it's Hazard. Good ball, good take. Foul right on the edge of the box. It could go either way here. The referee's decided that he was... Beckham with a real chance here.
This is the sort of thing he craves, a chance to make a telling impact.
Number 3, Pep Guardiola. Number 11, Lautaro Martinez.
Beckham!
Number 23, Beckham. Number 4.
I cap a la dreta per Xavi, i Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi, gol, 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 gol,
Is number 10, Lionel
2 up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see the more experienced lads step up to the plate now.
Shot could be on. That's at the end. Besiktas have done it. The perfect outcome in this moment.